The reason you have that blood rush and that nervousness is because you're focused too much on yourself.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar. Recently I got a question from Akmal who says, how do I control my breathing? I'm reading it actually here. How do I control my breathing at the start of a speech? There is a rush of blood for a few minutes till the speech or presentation settles down. This causes a bad start and the thought goes blank. What do I do, Bishal? That's a great question. See, you got to understand that in order to, before I tell you the solution, the reason you have that blood rush and that nervousness is because you're focused too much on yourself. I often tell people, if you want to be a confident speaker, you have to focus on the audience. I call it the FOTA formula, F-O-T-A, focus on the audience. So if you have a blood rush, ask yourself, am I focusing too much on myself? Am I focusing on the negative images in my mind that what if I say something, what if I forget that? It has to work all about your mindset. It's not about the knowledge, it's not a knowledge problem, it's a mindset problem. So overcome that and it can change for you. So next time you go out to give a presentation, few tips is number one, focus more on the audience. Number two, take some good deep breaths, not from a nervous point of view, to calm yourself down. There are many different techniques we teach at the Confident Speaker Live Workshop. Some emotional mastery formula, the real technique to really control your nervousness. But right now you can do is, another thing you can do is you can go to the room of the presentation few minutes before. Maybe if the presentation is starting at 3 p.m., go there at 2:30 and then spend some time there. Whoever comes, talk to them, understand their needs, their interests, their concern, their expectation. Shake hands. Even if these are people that you meet every day, ask them, hey, what's your intention? What's your expectation from today's presentation, today's meeting? Get to know that. It can change for you. That's my tip for you right now, Akmal. Take care. Vishal. And if you want to know more about how to become a confident speaker, call this number, talk to one of our team members, see if there is a spot available for this year. And I look forward to training you. Bishal Sarkar here, reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.